Hello and welcome back. Today we will massage to get rid of droopy eyelids. Our upper eyelid muscles droop due to the weakening of levator muscle which lifts the eyelid. It can stretch due to age or numerous issues. So today we will work on strengthening the surrounding muscles as well that are responsible for droopy eyelids. This is the most important tutorial you will ever watch. You can follow along or save the video for later so you don't do it incorrectly and cause any injury. Start from the side of your temples with your fingertips. Go in a circular motion. Keep applying gentle pressure. Move above the zygomatic arch. Apply gentle pressure and move in circular motion. Then to the back of your scalp and place your palm flat on the sides and move like this. Now start from the back of your neck, applying gentle pressure with your fingertips, moving upward and massage. This will increase blood flow, release tension and muscle stiffness, which will in turn make it easier to uplift droopy eyelids more easily because we are working on a deeper level here. I used to have droopy eyes for a very long time and I have overcome this problem without any Botox or surgery. I was able to improve the look naturally just using these face massage techniques, and so can you. Now place your thumb on your temples like this and your index finger placed flat on your eyebrow bones, that is sphenoid bone. Close your eyes for 3 to 5 seconds and open wide. Repeat and follow along. Don't move your eyebrows. While you close the eyes, apply resistance with your finger and repeat. Make sure that you have applied oil on your forehead. Now move your hand in upward direction, keeping it just like this. Slowly, as slow as you can. Let's do it again. Place the thumb as it was and move up. As you move upward towards the hairline, your thumb moves back like this. Do it 5 times. Now get some oil, apply on your forehead if it has soaked all the oil. Place your fingertips on the brow bone and with your knuckles you are going to slowly lift upward like this. Relax your shoulders, be gentle, and as you reach up towards the hairline, wiggle and finish off. Keep breathing in and out while you do this technique. Don't move your eyebrows up and down, rely on the resistance you are providing here. And so you should save the video and follow along every time you do the face massage technique while looking into the mirror and practice at least 3 to 4 days in a week. Avoid any mistakes that can cause other issues. Repeat 5 times. Keep applying gentle pressure with your fingertips on your brow bone for resistance. Repeat on the other side as well for the same amount of time. And with your knuckles, you're going to slowly lift upward like this. Relax your shoulders, be gentle, and as you reach up towards the hairline, wiggle and finish off. Keep breathing in and out while you do this technique. Don't move your eyebrows up and down, rely on the resistance you are providing here. Now moving on to our next massage technique. For this, hold on at the bridge of your nose for resistance. Place your thumb on the starting point of your orbicularis oculi muscle. Move along slowly like this. And repeat 5 times. Don't hold your breath. Now the other side as well. Repeat with your thumb placing on the orbicularis oculi and move slowly. Now place your thumb on the eye socket on the bone and start to roll inward as if you were pushing all the tissues inside. In this way you are creating a drainage. Go along the entire part of the eye socket, forcing the upper eyelid, the droopy eyelids, which start to diminish and will become wide open. This is the best technique to lift droopy eyelids and get rid of droopy eyes. Now hold with 2 fingers on the forehead like this. Make a hook with your index finger, place flat on the brow bone and glide slowly. gently towards the temple and with a wiggle. Repeat on the other side. Glide gently and wiggle. Repeat 5 times on each side. Now place the heel of your palm flat on the temple, don't lift, just place. Now look up and squint. Now in the last technique, pinch through your eyebrow line. The muscles will relax as this technique is the best to release all the pent-up tension and emotions. Hope you loved the tutorial. Hit like and smash that subscribe button for such amazing face massage tutorials in future. I also share tips on how to naturally heal your body and your skin, and there is a weekly yoga video which we share along, also contributes to heal your body and mind. So press that bell icon to stay updated, and we'll see you soon. Bye.